Boy.
Are you serious?
You got a problem with how I shake?
You're my family, I love you. Because that's what family is about, we love each other. Let's go.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Star here, and as you can see by the title of this video, I am doing the acting ratchet to see how my boyfriend reacts video. Yes, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. You know, everybody got a little ratchet in them, and I think this is going to be so fun. He does not like a lot of attention. He does not like me being extra. He does not like me being dramatic. He thinks all that stuff is annoying. So I tried to put a little makeup on. I didn't want to look too busted. Just gonna be acting ratchet, acting real ghetto. It's gonna be a lot of fun. But before I get started, pause this video, subscribe to our channel. If you have not already and you're watching and you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment down below videos that you'd like to see. And once you do that, and turn on the post notifications. Once you do that, comment down below so we can give you a shout out in our next video. Let's get into this video because I got him outside waiting. And it's time to get real ghetto.
Hey, babe.
What's going on?
So where you taking me?
Just ride.
Ride? No, I don't want to just ride. Where are you taking me?
Ride. Gotta go pick up a few things.
Who's calling you? Who's calling us?
What?
Who's calling us?
My phone.
Anyways.
Oh, it's somebody else's business.
Your business is my business.
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not.
Mm-mm.
Look at this.
Mm-mm.
Hey.
Hold up now. This is quiet.
I'm right here.
Don't you see him driving? Done.
I am right here. Put on your seatbelt.
We don't do seatbelts on the hood. We don't do seatbelt.
Hey.
We do not do seatbelt.
The hood fly you through the window. What the hell? Hey, look, you make sure.
Don't act like you don't eat hot sauce.
You need to make sure when we
Don't act like
get
you
out,
don't eat hot sauce. Oh my God.
You make sure you turn.
But you didn't give me no kiss though.
You eating hot sauce.
But you didn't give me no kiss today.
What? Alright, give me a little bit. I don't like all the lipstick on me.
Thank you, babe.
Putting all that lipstick on my.
Anyways, because I see you acting real crazy.
You look crazy. That's you.
You gotta take me to Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah.
But dunk your donut. You want to dunk this donut?
You must be broke.
What?
You can't afford Dunkin'
I got
Donuts.
plenty of paper.
Okay, well, plenty of paper me to Dunkin' Donuts.
I didn't say we was getting Dunkin' Donuts though. You.
Woo!
You need to get you a straw.
Oh my God!
Hey, look.
Oh my God, I was so thirsty. Oh my God, I was so goddamn thirsty.
Hey, you gotta put your seatbelt on this damn thing.
Do you see those wheels? Yeah! You see those wheels?
Hey.
You need to get some of those wheels because this car, oops.
Now you want to talk about my car.
I need to be in the car with him because you.
What?
I'm just saying. I'm off.
Yeah. You real extra right now.
Yeah.
Super extra. Damn, you breaking your neck.
That's a old school. Not a new school, a old school.
Well, you loud mouth shouting. You don't never act like this.
You know
You
what?
don't never act like this any other time.
I thought long and hard. You get it? Long and hard.
Womp womp. Womp.
I thought long hair. I need to start acting myself.
Acting yourself? So what you been doing? Faking it?
I've been faking it. I ain't been myself.
God damn, lady in the middle van.
I know.
Minivan, come on, man. We're trying to get somewhere.
Do you need me to get out and handle her?
No.
You need me to get out and handle her? Because you know I handle people in minivans.
Yeah, well.
Okay? Minivan, Karen.
What has gotten into you?
Anyways, you see me. Oh.
You on one today.
Get in the right. Okay.
Hey, don't be passenger seat driving.
Get in the right.
Passenger seat driving.
Yeah, you can't even talk. You can't talk to me.
Passenger seat driving.
You can't talk to me. Hey, you can't talk to me.
Hey, look. Pack down, shawty. We ain't stopping there. We ain't stopping
We
there.
don't do lines.
We ain't stopping there.
Don't do that. Starbucks. Starbucks. Ooh, girl, what you looking at? Don't look at this car. He is taken. Taken. Do not look in this car.
Hey, you know I am right here. You gonna bust my damn ear.
God.
Damn. Yelling, cause you be yelling for no reason. Hey, you make sure.
Well, you could have went that way for Starbucks.
You make sure when we get out. Yeah, well, you sucking your fingers like that. Where your fingers been?
What?
Hey, don't put.
What?
You gonna bite the damn chips?
Don't act brand new. Don't act brand new. Don't act brand new, boo.
Hey, I'm gonna.
God.
You know how people be leaving?
Don't do that.
Leaving dogs.
You in my business. Don't do that.
And leaving the older people in the car when they run in the store. I'm gonna leave you in the car.
What?
I'm gonna leave the AC on, but you gotta stay. You gotta stay in the car.
How about we get in the back seat
You
and do some things? How about that?
Damn, everybody hitting you with the pump fake. Cause you just hit me with the pump fake. Starbucks just hit us with the pump fake.
Okay.
That's crazy. Dunkin' Donuts hit us with a double pump fake.
Starbucks tripping.
Ooh, the line.
Get out the line. I need a cold brew. I need a cold brew.
Who getting out the line?
You gotta go in the store.
Shit. Not happening. And it's hot too. Shit, it's like 90.
Yeah.
It's baking out.
Isn't that stuck in your teeth? Look at my mouth. Isn't that stuck in my teeth?
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah. Anyway, boy.
Are you serious?
You got a problem with how I shake my gum.
You shaking gum, smacking.
If you don't hush,
Fingers, smoke, sucking dirty fingers. Pouring hot sauce on chips. You don't never do none of this when you come out.
I'm
and then you got this coochie cutter dress on. You showing too much legs. You forgot lotion.
You know what? I'm embracing who I am. Sometimes I don't want to wear lotion.
Well, look, that's why I said you stand.
Sure.
That's why I said you stand in the car.
Hold up.
Hey man, you want shit? This Starbucks line too long. You going in?
Okay.
You either can go in or we dipping.
Let me cut. Wait a minute.
Somebody need to take your gum away.
Take it. Take it. Take it. I bet you won't. I bet you won't. I bet you.
You need to get that shit out of your mouth.
I don't even know. Act like you know.
You gotta sit in this long ass line, man. We can't even back up. Hey man, your gum, that gum slapping, popping, and smacking. You need to spit your damn gum out.
Anyway.
I I know this fool ain't sitting over there like he just about to cut the line. Make sure you stay in the car. Make sure you stay in the car when it's time to get out. I'll leave the AC on. I'll go get my shoes myself.
Talk English,
and
Spanish,
I get your shoes myself.
Talk euros, dollars, Indians.
You wear 11, so that's you wear 11, so that's damn 10 and men.
Boy, don't be telling my business. Julius.
You being real annoying.
Gosh.
I'm annoying. You know what a bell clapper is?
I'm annoying.
You need to get out like Susan right there and goddamn go in.
Don't be rude.
I'm not being rude, but she going in. You see her husband parked over there. Boom. Made her walk in. That's what you need to
boom.
Do. Boom.
Keyword.
Walk in.
Husband, I'm just a girlfriend. Damn.
Well, you gonna be a wife, shouting.
Ain't nothing but the cash make
this
this talk. Ain't nothing but make this kitty talk. Boom. Kitty talk English, Spanish, French. Boy, this kitty talk. Ah! You know what's wrong?
You acting like a real ghetto space cadet today.
You know what? It be like that sometimes. Let me tell you something.
Don't.
Let me tell you something. You heard that? You heard that song? Oh my God, I'm about to swerve. Oh shoot.
Who?
Let me twerk.
Man, if you don't sit down. Shawty a little baddie.
Who had this?
My little boo.
Who had this? You don't drink these.
Shawty got the flatty.
Flat.
Flatty.
Who got a flatty? Boy.
Flatty.
Okay. Who had this?
I don't know.
You don't drink these. So who had it?
It's probably yours.
It's not probably mine. Probably who had it.
Hello. Hey, man,
Hello.
Me, man.
Hello.
Look, see,
Hello?
I'm just trying to get you this goddamn Starbucks. You better be. Hey, I'm trying to get home to watch the game.
You know what?
I ain't trying to be interrupted on none of the
Period.
game.
Shut up. Period. Shut up. Period.
Period.
Yeah. Period.
Period.
You period. Pooh.
No. Period.
No. You period.
No. This game. Not on my watch.
Let me tell you one thing for certain, two things for sure. If you didn't know.
I'm watching the Lakers game if you didn't know. Yeah.
Who gonna watch them kids?
You?
No.
Mommy duties.
I know you can lie. No, you lying. Where the money at? You ain't even got no money.
Oh man, got my goddamn.
God. You broke as how you gonna buy me a drink and you ain't got no money?
I got money in the bank. Show them what you think. I got money in the bank.
You know what? Let's get around. Let's go.
You got some money?
Let's go. I got bags and bands.
Hey, do you got some money? Cause I ain't got my wallet.
The bags and bands? No.
So we need to get out.
I'm supposed to bring no money. Yes. I thought you was gonna pay. I ain't paying for this.
Shit, I thought I could borrow some.
Starbucks is pretty pricey.
So we done set in the line.
Because of you.
And you don't want to spend none of your damn money? Man, you tripping. You had me sit in the line for 30 minutes. Just because you want to be a cheapskate and not use none of your money. Come on, cuz. And then you need to spit your damn gum out.
Who is you looking at?
What the fuck? What? Who? Hey, you really tripping.
Girl?
You tripping. We need to just drop you back off at the crib.
I'm about to get out of character because I'm trying to act civilized, but these about to take me out of character.
Out of character?
Because I'm acting real civilized. What you looking at?
They wasn't even looking over here.
Whose side you on? You on my side or are you on their side?
I'm on yours.
Thank you. Will you shut up?
What?
Yes.
Couldn't even get no damn Starbucks because you being a cheapskate. Hell, I forgot my wallet.
I bet that dude in that Benz would have got me a drink. I bet that dude in the Benz would have had money. You ain't got no money.
Dude in the Benz, he probably
the dude in the Benz.
That motherfucker.
The dude in the Benz with the big wheels. Big wheels, big wheels, big wheelie.
Yeah,
Jesus Christ.
Well, you need to hop out and go get in the car with him.
No. What they looking at? They over here looking.
I can afford two of them.
What they over here looking? Hey y'all. All right, broke Lexus, Benz, Mercedes, Maserati, Range Rover,
Do you know
Tesla. What you got? What you got? Nothing. Period.
Two unpaid for that.
Anyways,
because I can afford.
I'll take the dude with the Benz any day.
You know what?
Ah, dang.
We can actually afford a Benz.
Anyhow, my way, or the highway.
That's annoying, bro. Like, how? What are you? Yeah, you just tripped. We just need to take you back to the crib. You didn't even want to pay for some Starbucks because I forgot my wallet. You know what? I didn't even think about. I could have used the Apple Pay.
Boy.
While I was there, I could have used the Apple Pay.
Boy.
Yeah. Want to be the cheapskate. Cheapskate. I have to run in the house and get my wallet.
Run in the house, get your wallet. Broke dude.
How you calling me broke, but you want me to pay for your stuff?
Broke, because you're supposed to. Period. I'm a lady, and I'm serious. Thank you.
Yeah, but you.
Who knew?
You saying broke, but I bought you the crib. You talking about you want a house?
I want a new house.
Then you want a car?
I want a new house. I want a new house. I want a new house. You'll be okay. Cry, baby.
Trying to swerk. Not twerk. Swerk.
Anyways.
Because when you got a flatty.
Okay.
You got a swerk.
Okay.
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
What you acting like that for? Give me a kiss.
No. Give me a regular kiss.
Okay.
Yeah. Regular kiss. Yeah, lick people.
Anyways.
Come on, man. Let me go.
I was just trying to act ratchet.
What?
To see how you would react. Yes.
So just being extra the whole time.
Just extra.com.
Just to try to shoot a video.
Just shoot a video. Extra. Anyways, guys, how did y'all think I did?
Extra.
Please.
Always extra.
Please let us know.
Comment, like, share, subscribe
to our channel.
Thumbs up. All that. Turn your post notifications on. Baby, I'm telling you, I'm on a roll with the post notifications. Post notifications.
Yes. Turn that on so you're aware of every video that we drop.
And we can do the what's the name? We can give a shout out.
Alright, oh yeah, and we're gonna do the post. Oh shoot. Our post notification, our battery is about to die. Goes to Ayush Malik.
Appreciate
Thank you for watching our videos.
Taking the time out.
You comment on a lot of our videos, and we see you because they never respond to me.
For real?
We see you. Thank you for the love.
Appreciate it. Team Jew.
Team Star.
She got me this time. Team Star on this time.
Instagram, @DreamOfStar.
They call me Jew. It's the what? The who?
It's the Vol fam. Thank you for watching.
We out.